The Rivian R1T for off-road adventures and city driving. Highly versatile and packed with features. As stealth as a military vehicle. This truck can clear up to 3 feet of water and has incredible off-road capabilities. The Rivian R1T can conquer almost any terrain with nearly 15 inches of ground clearance and capable of towing up to 11,000 pounds. Adrenaline and speed. Off-road and sports car agility. 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds. Adaptable while staying adventurous. This vehicle can adapt to most conditions and most terrains. Switch from all-purpose for a smooth ride to all-terrain for most trails. Charging your Rivian R1T. The home charger is capable of charging your car up to 25 miles per hour. The R1T comes packed with an 18-foot charger capable of charging up to 240 volts. DC chargers can add up to 140 miles within 20 minutes. Manage charging and performance using the Rivian app. Premium quality inside and out. Two large screens packed with features. Vegan material with optional wood finish. The exterior boasts the most advanced architectural features. Vibrant hues and colors. Optional panoramic roof for full view. Incredible storage capabilities. The interior and exterior of the R1T boast luxury and adventure.